How to target US audience on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to target US audience on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Targeting a US audience on Instagram involves a strategic approach combining demographic, content, and platform specific tasks. So, you need to follow these key strategies to effectively reach the US audience on Instagram. The first is understanding the US audience. So, the largest age groups on Instagram in the US are typically between 18 to 34, but there is growing diversity in age groups. So, US audience are generally interested in entertainment, technology, fashion, food, sports, and fitness. Cultural diversity and inclusivity are increasingly important in marketing. The second thing you have to know is using GEO or geo targeting in ads. For Instagram ads, you can directly target US audience by selecting United States in the location settings. The third is leveraging the US specific hashtags. You can use hashtags popular in the US to improve discoverability. So, such as hashtag USA, hashtag USA fashion, hashtag NYC style, and many more. You need to consider trending topics and events in the US, such as major sports events, holidays, and many more. You can also collaborate with US influencers, create US specific contents, and also utilize Instagram shoppings. So, by focusing on cultural relevance, optimizing and targeting, and delivering content at the right times, you can successfully build and engage a US based audience on Instagram. That's all for today. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.